one of my favorite books, Not a Stick. Tiago's Tips.
Not a Stick by Antoinette Portis. For Winston. Hey, be careful with that stick.
It's not a stick.
Look where you're going with that stick.
What stick?
Watch where you point that stick.
This is not a stick.
Now what are you doing with that stick?
It's not a stick.
Don't trip on that stick.
Yeehaw! I'm telling you, it's not a stick.
So, still standing around with that stick?
This is not a stick.
Okay, then what is it?
It's my not a stick. The end. I'd like to thank my friend Daniel for this book. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Oh. Make sure to click the subscribe button.